Hey there everyone, today I'm super excited to share with you the limited edition sold out Neiman Marcus box by POPSUGAR. POPSUGAR comes out with now seasonal boxes, but this is their very special limited edition Neiman Marcus box. If you guys have watched my channel for a while, you know that I've purchased every single one for the last few years, and this is just the latest and I'm really excited to dig in. I've had this in my apartment for the last few days. I haven't even peeked in, so let's just go ahead and open this up because I know there'll be a lot to cover. As with all of my previous videos, I will link to everything down in the description box below. I will list it along with its price and a link to it if I can find one. And in the description box as well, I will add up everything so you can see what the retail value of this box is versus what I paid for it. I believe this box was $275. I paid $2.99 and I think like 41 cents total with tax. So let's see if it was worth it. But before I move on to opening the box, please take a moment right now to subscribe. Click that little subscribe button down below and click that little bell icon next to it so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out. I make videos about beauty, fashion, travel, lifestyle, you name it, I cover it all. All right, without further ado, this is the box that it arrived in. Much better than last year's. If you guys remember, my box arrived all slashed up and I had products falling out of it because of the condition of the shipping box, and I don't think it was their fault. I think it was the carrier. Somehow it got slashed up on its way to me, but this one looks intact. All right, so here is the box. It seems to be super packed. There is actually a little bit of tearing here because I mean it's full and it's so heavy. As you can see, here is the PS Must Have logo, the POPSUGAR logo by Neiman Marcus, POPSUGAR written down below. It is in silver toned foil. The box is white and there's a flap and it opens up like so. Wow. Okay, crazy good night, it says here in silver toned foil as well. Here is that little booklet that comes with all POPSUGAR boxes, which gives me information about the products included inside, but I want to be surprised, so I'm going to set that aside. Now with this box, you were able to select which clutch you have. They had one that was in like multicolored glitter. There was a gold tone one and a black one. I picked the black one just because you can never have too many black bags. They just really come in handy. So that's what this guy is right here. Beautifully well packaged, really, really well wrapped. Beautiful. So you can see it's an envelope styled clutch. It is in black and it's got beautiful texture to it. This is by Rebecca Minkoff, and it also has gold zipper detailed along the edges, which is very interesting. Very nice. Really, really love this black and gold. I love black and gold, so definitely my style. Inside, oh, wonderful. So here's a little Rebecca Minkoff care card. Here are the tags for the bag. And then the interior has several little card pockets so that you don't have to take a wallet with you. Obviously, it's a very slender bag. So if you had like your ID, your credit cards, your bank cards, you can just slide them right into here and still have a little room for some other things like maybe a lipstick, a little powder, or some those little wipes that remove oil. Definitely not carrying a ton, but this is like a special occasion going out kind of a bag. Beautiful, I really love it. So the next item is something that they did reveal on their site and in their email list, which I'm so excited about. This is actually something that I've been looking into purchasing anyway. Like I was thinking about buying it during the Sephora VIB sale, but I'm so glad that I did it because now it's already mine. This is by T3. It is their convertible curling iron, and as you can see, there's that white and gold base. It's like a rose gold, and then these are the different kinds of heads that you can screw onto it. I'm just really into having really good, well-made tools now. I just don't want to go into like my local drugstore and buy whatever they have there for like 20 bucks. I just rather invest in something better that I know is going to last me for many, many years and really get the job done and do it super well. So here is the convertible base. It's absolutely beautiful with the white and rose gold details. And then here it says customize your kit, and then it shows you the different heads that you can use with it and what each one does. And then it included this one, which is the cascading waves. The widest part of it is 1.25 inches, and it comes down to the bottom, which is 0.75 inches. The tapered barrel, obviously wider at the top and thinner at the bottom. Really, really, really happy with this. I was so excited when I saw that this was included. I really couldn't believe it. Just serendipitous that it would come to me when I was literally searching for it just prior to getting this. They also included a card here that says more barrels, more possibilities. Add an additional T3 convertible collection barrel to your set and take 15% off. So there we go. Okay, moving on to my next item. This is a P2 portable Bluetooth speaker, full rich sound, customizable features. And not sure what the brand is, but it says, oh, Beoplay. It says here, Beoplay P2 is smooth and desirable, a powder keg of great sound and a mate for your phone wherever you go. This is by Bang & Olufsen. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing that right. This is also going to come in handy because I've been reading a lot of audiobooks lately, and so when I'm in the kitchen, you know, washing dishes, I will just put my earbud in, or I'll have my phone playing as loud as it can, but this is definitely a better option. The next thing here is by Tata Harper, and it is their Illuminating Moisturizer with Diamond Dust. Oh my goodness, I have heard of this. I've heard beauty bloggers and YouTubers talk about this. Wow. Very cool. It is 100% natural and non-toxic for the face with diamond radiance. Very interesting. It says here 39 high-performance ingredients, 2 sources of radiance, 27 sources of plumping hydration, 10 sources to minimize the look of wrinkles. Dermatologist tested. Gonna enjoy trying this out. The next seems to be a perfume by Atelier Cologne, the Clementine, California. Oh, it says Cologne Absolu, so it's pure perfume. Very nice. And this is a Maison de Parfum from Paris. So it is a French brand. It says it has California Clementine, anise from China, and something in French from Haiti. There you go. I don't know what that word means. Vetiver? No, I'm not even gonna try. Now, I should open this up and smell it, but what I like about these boxes is that whatever I'm not personally super excited or interested about, I can always give them as gifts. So I think I'm just gonna hold on to this. This brand obviously is super well known in the fragrance industry. But yeah, I think I might hold on to this in case I want to give this to someone. I know a few people who are really, really into perfumes, so I might just keep that in its packaging. The next item here is by Dannijo, and I think this is a brand that has been featured in their POPSUGAR boxes before. Pretty certain, so let's see what this is. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Whoa. Check this out. Wow, that's really nice. Now, it's not my style per se because I'm not really into like white crystals, like unless they're diamonds. So, but my mom loves this kind of stuff, so she will get a kick out of that. It's a beautiful design. It looks like, you know, a star at the bottom, and it has these white, beautiful white crystals in the silver tone hardware. Very nice. Here is a Londontown Lakur. This is Kissed by Rose Gold, and it's a beautiful rose gold. There is a Beauty by POPSUGAR box right here, and it says this is the Twilight eyeshadow palette. If you're unaware, POPSUGAR has started their own beauty brand, so they're selling their own beauty makeup products. Check out this packaging. How nice is that? So it looks like a sunset, Twilight, obviously. So a very fitting packaging. Oh, very cool. I love the layout of the palette itself. It does look like a sun with some rays coming out of it. Beautiful shimmery colors. You have some mattes here, but beautiful colors. I'm very into pinks and plums. And then you have some light browns, taupey colors as transitions. So beautiful. I would totally use this. Very nice. And here is a little card from Neiman Marcus, which I'm assuming is the gift card. Yes. Last year, if you recall, there was a $25 Neiman Marcus gift card. I actually just used it. So I'm happy that I have another one so that I could do a little more shopping. All right, now I'm pulling up that little pamphlet that came with the box that gives me information about the products included. But first it says here, crazy good night. Get ready for the holiday season with our limited edition POPSUGAR Must Have by Neiman Marcus box. We're beyond excited to deliver this hand-picked selection of luxe essentials to you. These indulgent items will allow you to get ready for upcoming celebrations in style. Whether you're headed to a party or a family gathering, your glam factor will be elevated to a whole new level. We've chosen the season's hottest products, from a convertible curling iron to a designer clutch. Consider these items your festivity necessities for a crazy good night. We hope you adore them as much as we do. This is Lisa Sugar and Ken Downing. All right, the T3 Get Glammed Up. T3 Convertible Collection, Convertible Base, and Cascading Waves Barrel. This retails for $183. The Atelier Cologne, Clementine, California Cologne Absolu retails for $75. The Rebecca Minkoff Leo clutch retails for $95. And here are the clutches that you were able to choose from. This one, as you can see here, is rose gold. This is the one that I received. And then this one was the first one to sell out, which is like a multicolor glitter one. The Tata Harper Illuminating Moisturizer retails for $85. The Bang & Olufsen Beoplay P2 retails for $169. The Dannijo Lotus necklace retails for $120. The Londontown Lakur Kissed by Rose Gold retails for $16. The Beauty Pipe POPSUGAR Twilight Eye Palette retails for $42. The Neiman Marcus gift card is for $25. And there you go. That is everything that was included in this Neiman Marcus box. Now for my honest opinion. Is this box worth it? Was it worth it? Obviously, I have to say yes, because the products are literally way more than what I paid for them. I am super, super excited about that T3. I think that was my biggest, that's like my favorite thing, was that. And as you can see, it retails for close to $200. So I'm really excited about that. I do love the clutch. I think it's beautiful. But personally for me, I'm a mom of two. I'm taking care of my mom who's recovering from cancer treatment. I'm not going out like that very much. So that bag, it'll be useful for me to have in my collection, but it's not something that I would have purchased anytime soon. That necklace is not my style. It is not my style. It's beautiful for what it is, and if you love it, awesome. It's just not my style, but I'll be able to give that to someone, I'm sure. The Bluetooth speaker is also going to come in really handy, as I mentioned. Definitely putting that in my kitchen right away. And I love perfumes. I'm really into perfumes right now, so I'm excited to either try it for myself or gift it this holiday season. So the box, for me, is worth it. I was a little disappointed for a few things. That jewelry piece is just really not my style. I'm not wearing that anywhere. I just don't have any, I don't have anywhere to go that I would ever need that. But if you were going to a wedding, if that's your style, then yes, then you should be thrilled with this box. And the gift card, yes, I'll take it. Thank you. So there you go. Those were my honest opinions. Let me know in the comment section below what you liked, what you were excited about. Were you disappointed by anything? Did you get it? Were you able to get that clutch? Because that multicolored glitter clutch sold out right away. Everything sold out, but that was the first one to sell out. So let me know if you got anything different. Maybe if with the clutch selection, there was also some difference in products. I'm not sure. I'm going to go, after I finish editing this, I'm going to go on YouTube and search other unboxings to see if there were any differences, but let me know. Once again, please remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that little bell icon so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out, and like and share. It really helps me out. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate that support, and don't forget to use that comment section below to ask any questions, make it a request, or just say hi. I love to hear from you guys. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.